ऑनलाइन स्पोकन हिंदी कोर्स संवाद। वाक्य के भेद रचना के आधार पर। Namaste. In this video, we will learn about classification of sentences on the basis of structure. On the basis of structure, Hindi vakya or sentences can be categorized into three types. Saral vakya, simple sentence. Sanyukt vakya, compound sentence. Mishrit vakya, complex sentence. Let's discuss them one by one. The first one is Saral vakya. Saral vakya or simple sentence is one which has only one uddeshya or subject and one videya or predicate. Saral vakya or simple sentence contains only one pradhan kriya, that is finite verb. Let's see an example. अमन विद्यालय जाता है. अमन विद्यालय जाता है. In this sentence, Aman is uddeshya or subject and Vidyalay jata hai is videya or predicate. We can see that this sentence contains only one subject and only one predicate. So, this sentence is a simple sentence. We can see that this sentence has only one pradhan kriya or finite verb jata. Saral vakya. Saral vakya or simple sentences may have one or more than one karta, that is subject, but have only one pradhan kriya or finite verb. Let's see an example. Rama, Rohan और मनोज खेल रहे हैं. रमा, रोहन और मनोज खेल रहे हैं. In this sentence, there is more than one karta or subjects. They are Rama, Rohan and Manoj. In spite of containing more than one subject, this sentence has only one pradhan kriya or finite verb. So, this is also a simple sentence. Saral vakya or simple sentence can be a short sentence or can be a long one, but it must have only one pradhan kriya or finite verb. For example, तनु पढ़ती है. तनु पढ़ती है. This sentence is a short, simple sentence having only 3 words: Tanu, Padti, and hai. Let's see another example. राहुल की बहन तनु बहुत धीरे धीरे पढ़ती है. राहुल की बहन तनु बहुत धीरे धीरे पढ़ती है. This sentence contains 9 words. Hence, this is a long, simple sentence. Now, let's discuss the second type of sentence, that is Sanyukt Vakya or compound sentence. Sanyukt Vakya or compound sentence is one which has 2 or more Swatantra Upvakya or independent clauses. Each Swatantra Upvakya or independent clause contains their own Pradhan Kriya or finite verb. These Swatantra Upvakya are also known as Pradhan Upvakya or principal or main clause. These Upvakya or clauses are linked by Samucchay Bodhak Shabd or coordinating conjunctions. Samucchay Bodhak Shabd or coordinating conjunctions which connect the two simple sentences are और, अथवा, एवं, तथा, अन्यथा, किंतु, परंतु, इसलिए, बल्कि, ताकि, लेकिन. Let's see an example. रीना पढ़ रही है और कमला खेल रही है. रीना पढ़ रही है और कमला खेल रही है. In previous sentence, there are 2 Pradhan Upvakya or principal clauses. First one is रीना पढ़ रही है and the second one is कमला खेल रही है. Each upvakya or clause makes complete sense of its own. Hence, these principal clauses are also Swatantra Saral Vakya or independent simple sentence. In the first upvakya or clause, रीना पढ़ रही है, पढ़ is pradhan kriya or finite verb, and in the second upvakya or clause, कमला खेल रही है, खेल is pradhan kriya or finite verb. We can see that here each clause has its own pradhan kriya or finite verb. These 2 upvakya or clauses are linked together by the Samucchay Bodhak Shabd or coordinating conjunction or, that is and. Hence the sentence रीना पढ़ रही है और कमला खेल रही है is a संयुक्त वाक्य or compound sentence. Let's see some more examples of संयुक्त वाक्य और कंपाउंड सेंटेंस। बच्चे बहुत थक गए थे, अतः वे जल्दी सो गए। बच्चे बहुत थक गए थे, अतः वे जल्दी सो गए। Here, बच्चे बहुत थक गए थे and वे जल्दी सो गए are two independent simple sentences. These sentences are joined by coordinating conjunction अतः. Hence, it is a संयुक्त वाक्य or compound sentence. Let's see another example. जल्दी जल्दी चलिए अन्यथा देर हो जाएगी। जल्दी जल्दी चलिए अन्यथा देर हो जाएगी। Here, जल्दी जल्दी चलिए and देर हो जाएगी are two independent simple sentences. These sentences are joined by coordinating conjunction अन्यथा. Hence, it is a संयुक्त वाक्य or compound sentence. मुझे किताब खरीदनी थी, इसलिए मैं बाजार गई। मुझे किताब खरीदनी थी, इसलिए मैं बाजार गई। Here the two independent simple sentences are मुझे किताब खरीदनी थी and मैं बाजार गई. Both sentences are joined together by the coordinating conjunction इसलिए. Hence, this sentence is a compound sentence. मिश्रित वाक्य or complex sentence is a sentence which consists of one प्रधान उपवाक्य or principal clause and at least one आश्रित उपवाक्य or subordinate clause. प्रधान उपवाक्य or principal clause is capable of standing on its own as independent sentence as it makes complete sense. On the other hand, the ashrit upvakya or subordinate clause makes sense but not complete sense. It cannot stand on its own. It is a dependent sentence as in order to convey its full meaning it must be joined to the principal clause. In Mishrit Vakya or complex sentence, the Pradhan Upvakya or principal clause and the Ashrit Upvakya or subordinate clause are joined together by Yojak Shabd or subordinating conjunction. Yojak Shabd or subordinating conjunctions which connect principal clause and subordinate clause are कि, जो, जब तक, जैसा वैसा, जितना उतना, क्योंकि, यदि तो, जो सो और वह, जिसकी उसकी, यद्यपि तथापि. Let's see an example. रवि ने कहा कि वह केरल जा रहा है. रवि ने कहा कि वह केरल जा रहा है. In this sentence, there is one pradhan upvakya or principal clause, which is Ravi ne kaha, and this sentence has one ashrit upvakya or subordinate clause, which is वह केरल जा रहा है. These two sentences are joined together by subordinating conjunction की. Hence, Ravi ने कहा कि वह केरल जा रहा है is a मिश्रित वाक्य or complex sentence. Let's see some more examples of मिश्रित वाक्य or complex sentence. यदि परिश्रम करोगे तो सफल हो जाओगे. Here, परिश्रम करोगे is principal clause and सफल हो जाओगे is dependent clause. These two clauses are joined together by subordinating conjunction यदि तो. Hence, it is a मिश्रित वाक्य or complex sentence. Let's see another example. जब बच्चे खेलकर घर पहुंचे तब वर्षा होने लगी. In this sentence, बच्चे खेलकर घर पहुंचे is principal clause, whereas वर्षा होने लगी is subordinate clause, and these clauses are joined together with subordinate conjunction जब तब. Hence, it is a complex sentence. Evaluate yourself. Match with correct option. प्रिया अच्छा गाती है. रोहन को चोट लग गई इसलिए वह रो रहा है. सरल वाक्य. सही जवाब है प्रिया अच्छा गाती है. जो महिला बाहर बैठी है वह मेरी दादी है. रवि, सोहन और रिया एक ही कक्षा में पढ़ते हैं. मिश्रित वाक्य. सही जवाब है जो महिला बाहर बैठी है वह मेरी दादी है. शिक्षक ने कहा कि सबको अपना कार्य स्वयं करना है. छुट्टियां समाप्त हुई और हम लोग घर आ गए. संयुक्त वाक्य. सही जवाब है छुट्टियां समाप्त हुई और हम लोग घर आ गए.